One of the reasons why I don't use too much water in my lawn compared to my neighbors that have a lot of runoff, as you can see, just keeps going all the way down the street. One is the hand watering video like I uploaded already, and the other one is I assess my lawn, especially after it gets hot. I assess where it's dry and when I was watering where it was a lot of runoff. And what I use is a soil aerator or a spike aerator like this. As you can see, let me put on the concrete right there. I look for where it's dry. Like you see downhill here, it's dry, but I don't want to spike here only. I want to spike at the top of the hill, go down, and then open it up, pull out, so the water runs into that, seeps in, and then slowly runs down the hill underground. All right, everyone. See you later.